Hello students, myself Mr. Harish Sadashiv Motekar. I am your subject teacher for the subject Cryptography and Network Security. In our previous session, we have seen the DES algorithm, its drawbacks and the alternatives for the DES algorithm, that are the AES algorithm and blowfish algorithm. We have another alternative, that is triple DES algorithm. So our today's topic is triple DES, and let us start with the learning objectives. So the first learning objective is first and the most learning objective is the student will be able to analyze the security of the multiple encryption scheme. Okay, so this is the learning objective. Okay, let's start with the introduction. So as we know that as the DES is a block cipher technique, so the triple DES is also the block cipher technique, and which is also based on the Feistel cipher structure. So what is Feistel cipher structure? We have already seen. It is a structure in which the plain text is divided into the two parts, means plain text blocks are divided into two parts, left one and right one, and further process will be applied on that two halves. Okay, now as the DES is vulnerable to the brute force attack, there has been considerable interest in the finding to the alternatives, and the alternatives we have already seen, that is AES, brute force attack, and triple DES and RC5. So these are the alternatives. Okay, so one of the approach is that is triple DES, and the prime example is AES. Okay, so this is the introduction about the triple DES and all. Okay, now start with the triple DES. Okay, the triple DES is a symmetric key block cipher algorithm which applies the DES cipher algorithm 3 times on the each block of the data. Okay, it means what we are doing, we are applying the DES algorithm 3 times on the same block of data. Okay, so triple DES uses a key bundle which comprises the 3 keys, means 3 DES keys. Okay, that 3 keys can be used for the encryption, decryption and encryption. Means we can say that the first key we use for the encryption of the data block. After that, second key we use for the decryption of the data block, and third key again we use for the encryption. Okay, so this is the triple DES. Now keying option. So what is keying option? As we know that we can use the triple DES in 3 ways. First is on the basis of the key option. Okay, keying option. So the first keying option is that we can use 3 keys, and each key will be of the 56 bit each. Okay, so the total 168 bits will be the size of the key, and this scheme is also known as 3TDES, means 3 triple DES algorithm. Okay, in this scheme we use 3 keys, that is key 1, key 2 and key 3, K1, K2 and K3, and all will be the separate keys. Okay, so this is the first one. Now second one is keying option 2, that is in this scheme key 1 and key 2, that is K1 and K2 will be independent, but K3 and K1 will be same, means K3 equal to K1. So we are using only 2 keys in this case, and that are K1 and K2. So it is on the basis of this, it is known as the 2 TDES, and the length of the key will be 112 bytes, means 112 bytes. Okay, so this is the keying option. But as we have mentioned that we have 3 keying option, so third one is what? Third option is we can use the same key 3 times. Matlab key 1 will be equal to key 2 will be equal to key 3. In this case we will use only 56 bits of the bits size of the block as a key. That is 1 TDS. Okay, but this scheme is not used in the means actual life. Okay, that scheme that is not that much usable. Okay, there is a node. Okay, see, in the sum of the mode of operations we use an encryption function, because only encryption function, because it is used to generate something to XOR with the plain text. Okay, what is the meaning of this line? We are using as we can see in this first key one or second key one operation, where we are applying 3 keys, and first key and last key is performing encryption and middle key is performing decryption. So sometimes it happens that in the some mode of operations we find that the only encryption operation is used instead of any decryption operation. So the main aim of this operation is that we are only XORing the data with the plain text and nothing else. Means there is no point to use the decryption or encryption. There is no point. So there is no point to decrypt the generated bits, generated bits after the first round. There is no point to decrypt them. So in this case we can use only encryption algorithm. Okay, so this is all about next thing is triple DES. So let us start with the operation of the triple DES. Okay, triple DES, that is DES with the triple DES with the 3 keys. So that is also known as 3 TDES. TDES. Okay, so the process of the 3 TDES is, the encryption decryption process is as follows. Okay, encryption it encrypts the plain text block using the single DES key K1. This is the process in which first key is used to perform the encryption, that is K1. Second key is used to perform the decryption, that is K2, and third key again used to perform the encryption, that is K3. So we have total 3 keys, and after applying these 3 keys we get the output, that will be the ciphertext. Okay, so this is the whole principle of the triple DES algorithm. Now this is the block diagram of the triple DES, three triple DES. Okay, so the expression is given here, the ciphertext expression. It is equal ciphertext is equal to the encryption key 3 of DK2 of encryption key K1 of plain text. Means it is actually we are performing the encryption on plain text using K1. After that we are performing decryption using K2, and after that we are performing encryption using K3. So this is the whole process. Now the encryption and decryption of the data can be easily understood using this whole diagram. It is showing the encryption in this part and showing decryption in this part. Okay, so first we are applying a 64-bit data as a plain text to the DES to the algorithm, where in the first process the key is used to encrypt the data and we get the DES cipher. That DES cipher is applied to the next round to get the reverse cipher, and for that we use key K2. Okay, after that the output of this reverse cipher DES will be applied to the next round, that is again the DES cipher. Okay, so the so in the last technique we are using the key K3, and after this we will get a 64-bit ciphertext. So this is the process of encryption, and we'll apply the reverse process for the decryption. The 64-bit ciphertext will be applied to the DES reverse cipher. That will the output of this will be applied to the DES cipher, and output of this will be applied to the DES reverse cipher again, which will generate the 64-bit plain text. So this is the decryption algorithm, and for both the operations we are using K1, K2 and K3, same keys. Okay, so this is the operation of the triple DES with the 3 keys. Now let us understand the triple DES with the 2 keys, means 2T DES. Okay, so again here whole process is same, means encryption and decryption process is same. The only difference is that we are using only 2 key, that is K1 and K2. Means for the first encryption we are performing K1, for last encryption again we are performing K1 using K1, and for the middle operation, that is DES reverse cipher operation, we are using the K2. Okay, so the process is same, only difference is that we are using only 2 keys. Okay, now the expression for the encryption and decryption are given here. So the first expression is showing the encryption, where the ciphertext C will be equal to the encryption of P using K1, after that decryption using K2, and encryption again using K1. So this is the encryption process, and decryption process that is showing in the second that is shown in the second expression, that is P equal to D, means decryption of K1, that is key K1, of E, encryption of K2, of D, decryption of K1 of C. Means again ciphertext is decrypted using the K1 key, that is again encrypted using the key K2 key, and again encrypted using the K1 key. So this is a ciphertext expression. So this is the 2T DES algorithm. Okay, now some review questions are there. We have seen triple DES with 2 keys, triple DES with 3 keys, and as we know that it is the DES algorithm which we are using 3 times in the in whole process. So some review questions are there, and I hope you all will be able to give the answers of these review questions. Okay, so the first question is, what is the triple encryption algorithm? What is the triple encryption algorithm or triple encryption? Second is, how many keys are used in triple encryption? It is a logical question. Here we have to give the answer that we are using different steps, like 2T DES and 3T DES, where we use 2 keys or 3 keys. Okay, next question is, why is the middle portion of the 3 DES is a decryption rather than the encryption? This we have seen in that node why we are doing this. Okay, and the last question, why do some block cipher mode of operation only uses the encryption while other uses the both operations, encryption and decryption? Both questions are same, but there is some wording is changed actually. So this was the review questions. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.